I'm doing this video to show you a few new things about the mini cutter and to provide some instruction about how to perform a proper cut. The first new is that I have made a Minox cutter with smaller blades, you can see. Because there are some films that are very thin and very delicate, so thinner blades and smaller blades may be useful to cut those critical films. The film we are cutting tonight is this Adox HR50 black and white film. This is a very thin film. The material is clear PET and it is very fragile, very thin. So hopefully this new cutter will be good enough to cut this kind of film. I also want to show you how to properly put together the two films. You can use used canister with some leftover film here. You should cut a very straight line on the leftover film and on the new film that you're going to use. You should go very straight, and then you get some adhesive tape and put them together. These have to be very precise, like this. Okay. Right. When you have your two canisters ready, like this, you connect the crank or the knob and put the film inside the cutter, and you should make the tape go inside the take-up spool so you're not cutting the tape. Then you have to push the film through the blades. I will not do this here because I want to show you how to use a reloadable canister. So let's just take the film out and use this plastic canister instead. I prefer to use these canisters because it is easier to disassemble and take the part of the film you need every time you need, and then close it again and keep the remaining film inside, so it is easier to manage. Just put some tape there. And load it like this, right? Okay. Then close the spool and we are ready to go. Now it is very important to push the film through the blades to make the first cut. I use this kind of padding, but you can use cardboard, or maybe you can also use pliers to push the film through the blades, but I find that this system is more secure. Okay, as you can see, the film is already cut here. Then close the lid and start show you when it's finished. Okay, now it doesn't turn anymore, so the film is finished or the receiving canister is full. Either way, you don't have to cut further, and this is the cut film. As you can see, you have two strips of Minox film, 9mm wide, and then yeah, the film is finished. It is no longer possible to pull. That means that you just have to cut like that, and that's your cut film. I show you the size, which is right 9mm. Yeah, you see. Yeah, that's it. It worked. You keep the film in its box. See you soon. Oh well, another thing that must be added is if you keep your film in the fridge, see you soon. Thank you. Bye.